Peace FM 104.3. Wutumi Take.
Adwenkyerɛ ne nkɔmmɔbɔ na baabi a COVID-19 die kɔ die. Ayɛ nsɛm bebree. Dallas adwenkyerɛ.
Chairman General, menchia watiefo nyina anɔpa yi.
Yɛgye so.
Na mema wono yakɔ ɛwɔ amamu bɔne a Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo aban de abɛsua. Na Chairman General, mera ho anɔpa yi. If you say o topics a wode agu form sɛ yɛnka ho asɛm ne nyinaa no. Ne tofa bom yare kodi ewu yi a atiesi yeman Ghana emu. Na encheye bra na Ghana enyampo enrecorde COVID-19 ibi anase coronavirus ibi ewo yeman emu. Yehu document World Health Organization adebeto abonten se onu hu se de na yare no spread eko wiase afa na nyina no ono de nhihye bi to ho se amama nyina eniso na yenye nhihye a yebetumi de asi yare no ano se empo emma ne se etumi bampo a yebeso ano na ante atesi wo sakrata anim na yenya ne ntie se Ghana na sika wo se ye committee e de ye preparation no was about 35 million Ghana cedis. Ni aban to me coffee ni out. And as ni aban to me de maye. Say yemfanya preparation no was about 2.5 million. Ana Gabwa edda ho no is about 32.5 million.
When him say my whisika pa no almost achiom there.
Achiom.
When him say
but you see a dying or pebrimu and send in suato. Eti ya kyerɛ wo kwan afa so yɛ won hyehyɛye na 35 million Ghana cedis de utumi de ba abonten 2.5 million enso wanya sika 150 million plus $50 million eni akiri si ya de koye new voters register ni se Ghana fo nyina hwere yɛ nkwa hwan na bekosa something se me kɔkyerɛ mi din akoto aba Yari Isha na wo share the commentaries nipa nyina make here. Na ya very soft. Yeah, solidarize with ourselves. Yenye sing. But General, baby I bedri. Ye hu say aban enye committed. So odin hye ye pa begu form na omanfo no ho ahan wom. Anopa ya me no ka say, wo to nsentrofo no egumu a. Every public health directorate a war mayimu. Uko bisa won say, enhye ben aban aye niema ben aban de aba. Say mo fa education, na mo fa mo manfo no ensi yare na no ombeka kire say eye zero. Just yesterday, me call hospital bi e Okoforidua. Baby a say yare bi esi ewo apuemantam a cases dodo na yare fe ediko. The Public Health Directorate and as a department are ewo ho no. Chairman General, hand sanitizer mpo ebi ni ho.
Hospital bay.
Me pesa mebo eye hospital ni din. Because doctor ni a woni me di enkomo no. Sebe yenum se dia ban yitie. Wanya wa victimize eye onipa no.
Hospital a sanitizer ni ho.
I'm telling you.
And now ntimi nkyerɛ ne enkomo mu bi.
Sanitizers eni ho.
Hospital bon enkomo mu bi sesi ya.
Bisa me no wi a meka kyerɛ of ni yakomo mu bi. Eti bisa ho se Koforidua kromo regional capital. Na yenuanom a omo na wante. Health offices and as clinics and chip centers. Wapwe mantemu ana Ghana fa na nyina bisa ho se regional capital mpo hospital e wo ho eni hand sanitizer and gloves a omo wase ne nso no o how ben omo nem Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo Ghana mampani ema yete ase se wetwa $100 million say yemfa nkuntia eye yare kudi awui Chairman General me ne wo kasa sabri finance minister Maya Tiasi si kampa Ghana man penika say we twa no sika ni ho afi na ye koyela la sulala apesika e dia beko etia eye yare kodi ewu coronavirus e wo man yi mu na ohwe government adverts are all year na education all year wo yare nyina eho a ade ba ko a edi mu pa aban ne education nyina ye hu se e run it through ene se ye hohoro yensa ba China General me ne okasa ni for 2 weeks na otwe mienu oman mu ensuo ho akwatwe nipa nya nsuo mpo na odi adware na mpese ye nya bi dia hohoro yensa bre ne bra no eti utumi hu se aban na namotu a wotuo friends centrofo se me de we yegu akwan mu maye we ubekọ fom no it is not happening me no kasa sabri directives on mampeni ma yese schools are mayimu both public and private yen closing ni nyina down because anhwene nkwada ne kosia na obi a obetumi de amane yonko Chama General woni mu se from kindergarten to a university level no ye wo ankrankra almost so erani schools onano aduane no nenso mampani ama directive say yen close schools ne down kosi say ye benya yare kodi awuo yi epoma tobre ansa no masan a resume imagine cost sankrofo yi be nke nso ma gi atom a close schools yi down both public and private and sorry asofo Pentecost for Presby for Methodist for oni nyina gi atom in fact ma sorry ameko Pentecost crowd ye chairman akere kwan ayemfa so ebetumi ahia se bia Facebook osofo gina Facebook ni nyina ye tie no wo preachi anase ye hia in smaller group cells ni etumi adwendwen nyame asem no ho abompaye ekere wo sa asofo ni nyina gi atom se de omampani aka no ye de be ye adwuma just yesterday my who said chief imam so issue statement akere ni nkramfo both Al-Sunna Tijani afo nyina se what se don na ebo a ya sorry wo fie se beye na omunkohiem na yare ne nyeden and spreading na so abadwumakuo ye friend no National Identification Authority se na nado dankwa kufu ado ase direct is under the presidency me no kasa you kwa proemantem a they are still registering people na udru centers ni bia Chairman General no hwe dom a aba peso apemfo ne sebe maame mpanimfo ne papa mo mpanimfo awofo akita nkwada etua nufu ano sabio disabled onu nyina aba peso dem ne mfifire te won registration then you ask yourself say is our government serious if you say in some of mampani kan so obi bebusu mpo a na nya the National Identification Authority mampani ase nyema mienu it is that say Professor Kenatefa oni obuo de mampani na nado dankwa kufuado anase dwumadi a odie no or the tacit support of the president say woni dwuma no ni so obi wa yare ni bi mpo a onfansa ne ye wa pumantemo if you say mahu petitioner registration officials no a Chairman General omo appointment no omo dia ma National Identification Authority impening for say because of coronavirus na abaninti no omo enkwa the same ntinka betumi ampening for me entwentwan registration ne so Professor Kenatefa na pamfo say da ono bekoso a registration no and no hand sanitizers are on the call centers no me di the Chairman General what to send do na expire
maintain
and I'm telling you
I free him a call
and I am penny for the comma registration officers na wo Eastern region appointment no sanitizers no do na expire Chairman General dodo na expire at least
I want first
mean to me count for all the 33 constituencies but at least near me hu here minimum say I expire I can talk of near ewo nkoko atiwa east atiwa west metumi aka Fantiakwa south metumi maka ebuakwa south there meka buakwa north there Nujabin south Nujabin north there so sanitizers na I spy and ye de come out say won use
Obisi, I've just checked. Also, Kwame, I've just left the Eastern Regional Hospital in Koforidua. I can confirm that they are putting some of the precautionary measures. Temperatures of every person entering the hospital is checked at the gate. Hands thoroughly sanitized before you are allowed entry. Very sick patients are allowed to go straight to the OPD, where all the outline procedures are observed. They are doing well at the Central Hospital, so maybe your guest should name the hospital he's talking about. At least we've ticked Koforidua Central Eastern Regional Hospital is out. Pachotasu.
Chairman, Odru Koforidua Krumwa, yewo Regional Hospital na ewo ho. Ansana yesan wo Central Hospital ewo ho. Nti minimu nia eye o tester no e refer to.
Pacho Mabo Hospital reading. So wo so ntimi nche me hospital.
Me say yewo 2.
Ntimi masuma me akobaako
ewo ho. But I know what I'm talking about.
Masuma me
to on Central for our women tem egum. No call the various health centers enko bisa. It is a sad situation. But my memory back to Asemo Chairman General America. When we say ye can Easter celebration, to mean Nikwa Easter celebration in film. But because of Manpenini directives are on my I'm at the Kwa Traditional Council. I issue statement say I feel Kwa Easter no into me because of Manpenini directives. New job in Traditional Council on Ujumedia net down anymore one obedi. On a issue statement. So because of Mampeni any directives no on into me and say no penya de kumekan. A man for one way a year and come ko see on a this year crown echi. When we say oh this year share fridge moi unsie no wunia hoto. But the moment nipa no benya akwasa asimu pe wutumu say asumdue bi kakra eba wo so. But because of directives inti onu nyina a suspend eye dwumadi anka wonu ebidi. Eti den ne si Mampeni ho kwan say onti yempo say National Identification Authority for eye registration if it juoda ne besi ne ya boswa Central for ono eke dwen apoemantemfo ho ono so boswa just enra Ghana Medical Association for issue statement. Because almost so tall areas ni be our poor man temu and they notice say a quite on a fast year registration so be why yare ni be no of fradom na obetumi dia mani pano easily to almost issue statement say aban entwentwen National Identification Authority ni so a poor man temu but anopa ya me no ka say they are still registering my whole pictures are ono catcher say registration officials no ya ma on protective cloth ni bia she and gloves they are safe. What about the masses now a troop to the centers to register? Who cares for them? Eti uputu wenyina together. Echire pefe say Ghana Mampeni na nado dan Kwakufuado ene na bai enhihye ya on de agu form ene communication on no ye e wo yare kodi awe hu nyina no. Chairman General, much ado about nothing. They are not serious about the issue. If it's a Chairman General, me no ka say, e shall see a two, e bansia, e nano pay, yes a bankron. Na o catch the omwa, ni a wano kan say, cases na yenya ni nyina imported. Chairman General, apart from China, yare no share free one province Wuhan no. Amaya enya Italy, Spain, US nyina na imported.
So what are you driving
but
at?
A spread here. And you cannot say because they are imported into no. O measures are the begu form no. One low one to the stand say precautionary measures are woman penny and kasa wa announces a yamfanya ejuma no. One kasa na blatantly ubuswo because they are imported. Amaya wonu jina ono nanso ono healthcare systems. Ejina ono nanso to say Italy and Spain. Yare ani bowura mu no. Chairman General. One to me answer no. And they would do what? Hardly will you see an mampo say wana mabonting. Because a buy no and they a bunkam fan so Udru US Donald Trump. I think about 3 days ago. Or catch any man for said this time around on pesa man for be enum kura be den ebeshia. Yarena abunkam afa won so. Look at their healthcare system. No ba ye man ha. And I interacted with the doctor. Chairman General. Or say a nay to sap women tem Kofodia Regional Hospital. Say ayarefo ye de enipa cases by 10 e bedru ho. Say yare say respiratory yare. Say cow den dey near do bedru ho de nipa do bedru Regional Hospital wa. Ventilators cry a debate won so no anhwe bi bewu. It is a regional hospital but cannot boast of ventilators. But also
ventilators.
Now it is part of the preparation.
Baby a free bano crowd a home.
Oh, General. Baby a free air bano. Are you saying say a whole regional hospital? They want to mean boasting of ventilators be a dienua. A idea was a boastful of an it show how poor our system is. And I buy and take any concrete step. A bit to me about say yare shas yes spread here. Obey to me the heading. And yes yano. Nempo if kwaya wana fa so ye ne omkano contract contact tracing no. General problematic. Because elsewhere say a tree aban mo mpanifo a ye bodin say nipa somasi yare achre no. Sebeya one hour 2 minutes on nya contact. 1 hour on ni din sa wo so. Onu be hu say sa kire no a yenso yenkwohwe ya pomudin mu hwe say yenso yensa kan yare ni bia. Ba yen ha everything is being kept under the carpet. Ubisa ye see empese ye di nipa ni din ebetudwa na nipa a victimize wom. Just last week we heard said the Prime Minister of Canada yere enya bi. Tema jona wante. Ya bodin o. Victimization be no was had ye we mu. Enye HIV sebio oba ya man mu ha na ye mpotem ha se ye kase obi anya HIV a ade ya ba obi trima ne sebio okodi mpasogro e na wa ye den wanya HIV coronavirus no enti say HIV no.
What is stigmatization there?
Oh minia stigmatization ene de wen yet ye man mu ye se de ye bia no ye hwe international best practice. Eti wo mu ayare ne hya ase won krom won kwan a won fa so ne se onu tumi ma omanfo ni hunu won ayare na ka won se be ya won so be hwe won apomuden ahwe se ade omu ye safe anaso omu ye safe ne ye ha de do bi esie eti asetes now nipa nkro ne kura ye ka omu ho asem no minu mienu ye nim won ne se ye no omu mpo anya nkitahudi a yetumi atu anamon akọ eye apomuden bia akọhwe se yensa kan yare ni bia na yensa enkan bi eti utumi hu se aban ni yen ye pilolu e wo coronavirus ko a aba no eso enu nti na nra NDC issue statement say wo hwe de aban kwan a wafa so handle issue no a e wo se ye to yensa kọ wiem na ye frɛ twedi ampo nyankropon se radia mamu a ye de ani to aban yi so a ye bedi efufuo kwa ti ye hye fasting ase ye se yenya ne 3 days ba Chairman General Ghana ho donti me ye no 6 days ni ye so afre urade se urade e de aba ye nsu e twen nanso ye leader oda ya no no ase onwen yen ho nti wankasa brem na begye yen mefa ofidie nso a kire Ghana fo NDC fo obi a odwen Ghana ehu bia so on fa ne ho nya konkyin yi mu because ye de ani to na nado dankwa fufu ado ne MPP aban so a Chairman General ye bedie fufu kwa obo so say ya che prophetess bi wo apoe mantem asori no eye the break of mountains Jesus prayer camp enra prosifo akọ maame no ne boni a woye ne say o mampeni se ma ye nhia ene one na pamfo akohia ebompaye enu akire no na awia no ya che sofo bi nso ewo kumase so ono nso ne na pamfo akohia ebompaye na ensentronia na owo kumase na o report ma a sister station bi kire se nipa okoto o ma sorry dem ho no mbebe aduasa ni kire se wabu o mampeni 25 no ceiling o de ma 25 no wabu so say yen hia ne nso wabu so enti ne yakokire no ba na ya registration ayeyi Chairman General nipa o man hia kora no na 100 udu center bia nipa dodo ni hokora no Chairman General nipa 100 150 200 eba ne sen ena efi kwasi da no besi sabri yenche Ken Atefa anasem penifo a eda National Identification Authority na no yenkyere wom na citizens a omo de yeso omo abusu no ene ya kyere wom ema emra ene omo yedie.
Dallas me that say
how insensitive our president and the government is to the plight of the people of Ghana.
Me that say
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean Taki?